everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
development of spinal cord. Okay, so it's basically the topic which is related to embryology. Now, how the spinal cord is developed? As you know, around the spinal cord there is a body of bones that is called vertebral body. Vertebrae are present, and how they are formed we have already discussed in previously in many recordings in the development of vertebral column as well. But how the spinal cord is formed, it's something which is very important, because spinal cord and brain together form central nervous system, and these are very important in our body, because spinal nerve from spinal nerve from spinal cord, spinal nerve arises and they supply to many parts of the body. They bring the information towards the brain, they send this information to the brain, they receive the information from the brain and then send again back the signal to the muscle to perform the action. So it's very important in our body. So as you know, in the third week of embryo, neurulation takes place, in which neural tube is formed having neural canal. What is neural canal? Neural canal is present in the neural tube, which is a lumen of the neural tube. Okay, and obviously in third week somites are also formed. Now, as you know, many somites are present. The from cranial to the fourth somite, that means first, second, third and fourth somite will form brain, and they will form brain. So we will discuss that in the video of development of brain, but we are talking about development of spinal cord. So from fifth somite till the caudal end of the neural tube, spinal cord is formed. Now, as you know, somites are basically the segments of paraxylem mesoderm which form vertebrae bodies वगैरह वगैरह. बट क्या होता है, जो न्यूरल ट्यूब है वो क्या बनाती है, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड बनाती है. अब होता ये है कि ब्रेन 1 2 3 4 सोमाइट, ये जो शुरू के 4 सोमाइट है ये ब्रेन बनाती है, बाकी सारे स्पाइनल कॉर्ड बनाते हैं. अब जो न्यूरल ट्यूब की वॉल है ना, द वॉल ऑफ द न्यूरल ट्यूब कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेल्स, द एपिथेलियम नोन एज सूडो स्ट्रेटिफाइड कॉल्यूमिनार एपिथेलियम. व्हाट? सूडो स्ट्रेटिफाइड कॉल्यूमिनार एपिथेलियम, which are also known as neuroepithelial cells. Now these neuroepithelial cells are very 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 important. First, remember this, that the neural tube is formed from ectoderm. Okay, as you know. Now the neural tube consists of cells in the wall of in the wall of neural tube. There are cells called neuroepithelial cells. Now these neuroepithelial cells are very much important. What happened near the lumen? होता क्या है, बीच में सेंट्रल कैनाल है, बीच में न्यूरल कैनाल है, उसके अराउंड वॉल है. तो जो न्यूरल कैनाल के करीब का एरिया है न्यूरल ट्यूब की वॉल में, वहाँ पर भी न्यूरो एपिथेलियल सेल्स ही हैं. वो मूव करते हैं टूवर्ड्स इंटरमीडिएट टूवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द न्यूरल ट्यूब वॉल, एंड दे विल फॉर्म इंटरमीडिएट जोन. And from which zone they are coming, from the zone which they are coming towards the center, that zone is known as ventricular zone. Okay, ventricular zone is the zone which is present near the lumen, that is also known as neuroepithelial layer. Okay, or neuroepithelial zone. And from ventricular zone towards the center, the neuroepithelial cells are coming and they are forming in the center a zone that is known as intermediate zone or mental zone. Okay, then afterwards further more neuroepithelial cells come from ventricular zone towards the corner of the neuroepithelial wall, neural tube wall, and they will form marginal zone. Now ventricular zone will form gray matter, and the marginal zone will form white matter of the spinal cord in future. Now what happened in the ventricular layer, neuroepithelial cells develop themselves and develop some new cells as well, known as neuroblasts. Neuroblasts are those cells having large nucleus, and they will form also neuroepithelial cells are forming neuroblasts as well as glioblasts. Glioblasts will form glial cells, or which are also known as neuroglial cells, supporting cells. And neuroblasts will usually form neurons. कौन से neurons होंगे? Motor neurons and intermediate neurons are formed from neuroblasts. Okay, they will form gray matter. Obviously, these neurons, the cell bodies of these neurons will form gray matter. The fibers will extend to in the marginal zone to form white matter. And white matter क्यों होंगे? Because the axons are myelinated. और mylination क्यों होती है? किसके थ्रू होती है? ओलिगोडेंड्रोसाइट्स के थ्रू होती है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो आपने याद रखनी है. Now, like I said, motor and intermediate neurons are formed from neuroblasts. So सेंसरी न्यूरॉन्स किससे फॉर्म होते हैं? सेंसरी न्यूरॉन्स आर फॉर्म बाय न्यूरल क्रेस्ट सेल्स. अब जब ये सब हो जाता है तो व्हाट हैपन, न्यूरो एपिथेलियल सेल्स फर्दर ग्रो करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो न्यूरल कैनाल है जो वाइड होती है. जब एम्ब्रियो की बात करें तो हम शुरू में इन द अर्ली फेज द न्यूरल ट्यूब, द न्यूरल कैनाल ऑफ द न्यूरल ट्यूब इज़ वाइडर, but gradually it will become narrower and the walls of the neural tube will form 4 thickenings, 2 anteriorly and 2 posteriorly. The anteriorly 2 thickenings are called basal plate and the posterior 2 thickenings are known as LR plates. Basal plate anteriorly हैं, they will form ventral root and ventral horn, whereas LR plate will form dorsal root and dorsal horn. ठीक है, अब आपको पता है डॉर्सल हॉर्न बनेगा, उससे फिर नर्व अराइज होंगी, वो नर्व फिर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर फोरामेन से पहले कंबाइन होंगी, स्पाइनल नर्व बनेगी. फिर स्पाइनल नर्व की जो वीडियो है जो आप लोगों ने देखी हुई है तो उसमें मैंने बताया है कि किस तरह स्पाइनल नर्व अराइज हो रही होती है. लेकिन मैं आपको इन शॉर्ट बता देता हूँ, डॉर्सल हॉर्न से वेंट्रल हॉर्न से दोनों जगह से नर्व फाइबर्स आते हैं, कनेक्ट होते हैं, स्पाइनल नर्व बनाते हैं, और स्पाइनल नर्व फिर वो अपने स्पाइनल इंटरवर्टिकुलर फोरामेन से बाहर आती है. फिर वो स्पाइनल नर्व रेमाए बनाती है, गैंग्लिया बनाती है, और ना जाने पता नहीं सिंपैथेटिक ट्रंक होता है. वो उसकी बात हम नहीं कर रहे, अभी हम सिर्फ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड की ही बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Now, like I said earlier, that neuroepithelial cells will also form neuroblasts and also form glioblasts. Now, we have already talked about neuroblasts. Now, glioblasts. Glioblasts will form glial cells. What are glial cells? As you know, we have already discussed in the neuroglial cells recording that astrocytes होते हैं, oligodendrocytes होते हैं, ependymal cells होते हैं, माइक्रोग्लायल सेल्स होते हैं. ये 4 सेल्स होते हैं ग्लायल सेल्स. अब ओलिगोडेंड्रोसाइट्स, एस्ट्रोसाइट्स, एपेंडाइमल सेल्स, ये सब कौन फॉर्म करता है? ग्लायोब्लास्ट. बट माइक्रोग्लायल सेल्स जो होते हैं वो ग्लायोब्लास्ट फॉर्म नहीं करता. वो किससे फॉर्म होते हैं? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, और प्रोफेसर यूजुअली आस्क यू इन द वाइवा एज वेल. And he can ask, or he or she can ask you in the viva, that which glial cell is not formed by glioblast. So you can say microglia. So he or she will ask, so from where they are arising. So you will say that microglial cells will form from mesenchymal layer, which is present near the neural tube, or which covers the neural tube. Okay. Now meninges are also present around the spinal cord. They are formed between 20 to 35 days, and CSF is formed at 5th week. Motor roots are remember this point. Motor roots are myelinated first, and sensory roots are myelinated after the motor root myelination. Okay, so this was the whole topic you have to remember. Study hard, work hard, and good luck. Bye. Thank you so much.